Achoo! Pee-pee!
Hi, hello. So here, Rebex, Yosi, together shaping legacy. Woo! So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Isna Naifatul Rohima and Yosi Shalom Tantrahitu and our guest is Najwa Hana. Halo Najwa. Hai Najwa. Hello guys, you can call me Wawa or Najwa Sadrolin. Nice to meet you. Great to know you. Nice to meet you. So, I'm thankful for inviting me to this discussion tonight. Yeah. You're welcome, and we are so thankful that you are want to go to this podcast. Was it? So, we will talk about Dark Age era until colonial era for our discussion. Meow. So in this discussion, in this discussion there are three sections. So the first section we will talk about Dark Age till High Middle Age. So Yosi, you can say it. Okay. After the collapse of the Roman Empire, who would have thought that the Catholic Church will take over many important functions in society, not only spiritual but also political and social. Yeah. Basically, after the fall of the Roman Empire, the church took over many aspects from Roman rules. There's so many aspects. It's like intellectual, political, social, and spiritual life. But for example, in intellectual, there's four church father that has been translated Bibles to Latin and what user pagan to what user pagan culture to this one what to help spread Christian teachings. Oh, and one of them is Gregory the Great, right? That is not only organized church, but also turn a room into a administrative center, and it is known as papal stage. Is it true? Or false? Basically, it's true. As what I said before, there's for church father. For example, is Augustine, Jerome, Ambrose, and the last is Gregory the Great. So the Gregory the Great, he was the last of the church fathers and played a big role in organizing the church. Gregory helped manage Rome and turned the area around it into an administrative center, which later became known as the papal state or church state at the time. And bishop and popes had more power than king at the time. Oh, wow. And then fun fact, it is fun fact. At the time, what a popes, yes, a popes, it's presented God on the earth. Wow. So at this time also the power of Pope and Bishop even greater than kings, right? Yes. Because what is like church have to king, like can support or remove a king, and then many rules needed the Pope's blessing to gain legitimacy. So the king must have a permission from the church to have a legitimacy.
Wow, the church is being able to support or overthrow a king. So that's a lot of power for a religious institution.
Yes, yes, true.
What do you think about it, Yoshi?
But we must also remember that the church at the time was a source of stability. Many people depended on the church for their life and knowledge. And during the first crusade, Pope Urban II was able to unite Europe for one big mission. That's all.
Oh, that's also important
Opinion,
point
yes.
too. Not only about religion, but also church opening the trade routes and cultural exchange to the Middle East. Oh, Middle East. Okay. The next, the next session is last Middle Age. We are entering a time where the dominance of the church is starting to be questioned. That is last Middle Age to early modern era. So at this time, say, wait. Oh, oke.
Recording
Kok kata
stopped.
ya? Yo, what? Yos, gak usah.
Gak usah apa?
Like, mau recording stop.
Gak apa-apa, lanjutin.
Recording in progress.
Okay. Okay, next. The next session is last Middle Age to early modern period. So we are entering a time where dominance church is starting to be questioned. At this time, people are starting to lose their faith because there are two or three popes are claiming each other, and that make people are confused which one is right.
I think the last is correct because during Middle Age, people doesn't believe church again because there are a lot of crisis in the internal from the church. For example, at the time, there are two or even more than two claim to be true leader of the church, and then the I think it's like government of the church was corruption with the church. So people confusing about who's the true leader, and they doesn't they don't believe in the church again.
Oh, so the church has an internal problems that make getting worse the moment, and because the self of position and corruption, you said.
Yes,
Oh.
that's true.
Well, figures like John Wycliffe and Jan Hus emerged. They depended that the Bible be the sole authority and push for the reform.
Exactly what Juicy said is totally true because after people don't believe in church again, there's two peoples, two people is John Wycliffe and John Huss. Is declared if the church needed a reformation, and then after that, uh, Protestant Reformation has begun was led by Martin Luther. That's
Hmm. But the Catholic Church wasn't silent either. They dove back through the Counter Reformation. The Council of Trent was held, and new orders emerged, such as the Jesuits, who were very active in education and social mission.
okay. So for a response for Protestant Reformation, the Catholic
Yes.
Church launched
Mm.
its own reforms during the Council of Trent, which aimed to correct an internal problem. So
No problem, okay?
at the time, like the Jesuit who become very active in education and missionary work. Yes.
But unfortunately, also at that time, like there is a war that 30 years war, which was absolutely very brutal, and I think it's negative for the society, right?
But for you continue or
Next, you say. What did you say?
okay, so exactly the 30 years war is
Yes.
affected because of the reformation of the church. Uh, but yes, but the war is ended by Treaty of Westphalia that allowed 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 a king which
Mm.
country to choose the religion of their own country.
And that's where we start to see the rise of the modern state with a secular system, but still keeping the moral values intact from the church.
Yes, that's true.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Wawa, for the information about last Middle Age to early modern era. But this is the last section for this discussion tonight. Colonial era. Hmm.
Wow.
Now, let's talk about the colonial period. The church became part of the global expansion of Europe nation, and of course, Christianity spread. Yes, we see examples of this is the Latin America, Africa, and Asia. Missionaries built schools, hospital, and introduced modern education systems. Where you think, Wawa?
So at the colonial era, many colonial religions were converted to Christianity by Western power. For example, Latin America was Christianized by Spain and Portugal, while Indonesia was influenced by the Dutch and the Portuguese.
Okay.
But in Indonesia, for the example, some people were baptized because of trade pressure, not because of their personal beliefs. I think it's negative for the society because they were forced to for baptism.
Yes, in many case, the spread of Christianity involved coercion and oppression. In Indonesia, for example, the Portuguese baptized local people not out of personal belief, but due to pressure or the desire to maintain trade relations. And in addition, local temple culture, object, and traditional belief were often destroyed or labeled as heresy.
Also, we recognize that in some places, missionaries actually help small communities, not as colonizers but as companions.
Oh,
What?
okay. So I think we are run out time. So I think that's the last section until colonial era. So do you have anything to say, Najwa or Josie, maybe?
Maybe it's just a summary for our discussion.
I think this clear. This enough.
Okay. But I want to give a summary.
Okay, just go ahead, Najwa.
So actually, there's a lot of people from Dark Age until colonial era was Christianized by the church, and the church has a many function at the time, like a place to have a knowledge and for a prayer. I think the church at the time has a lot of power.
Yes, church. I think too. The power is maybe. Wait, ngeblank coy. Cut here.
Recording stopped.
Coy ya, nggak usah ini aku mau lanjut coy.
Oke, satu. Oke.
Recording in progress.
Okay, I just wanna add that the problem in this time, religion becomes a tool of colonialism. So it sometimes undermines the culture identity of that place.
Yeah.
What do you think about this, Yoshi?
I think this so clear the role of the church in colonial times was complex. There was a humanity side, but also a power side. That's it.
Yes, history always been so complex. Okay, I think that's all for our discussion today.
We three backs together, shaping legacy.
Yay!
Thank you, thank you, Wawa, for the information explanation about discussion.
So 1, 2, 3. For Mr.
Patrick, Minal Aidin, Walfaidin, mohon maaf, lahir batin,
Please give
give us highest score.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
ขอบคุณค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ Yosin nakap. Mukanya Wawa langsung Kristiana Bow banget anjay.
Oh, oke aja.
Wow, yes.
Some people want it all. Wawa, stop it! Oh my god. Anjay, Wawa di belakangmu tuh seksi sekali.
Yes.
Sorry.
Nama aku
Mr. Patrick, give us the higher score.
Yakin ini Mas Patricknya nonton?
Nonton lah.
Apa? Ditulis dong kata-katanya. Wawa izin. Oke, here we go.
yang fun fact.
Apa Beb? Dijadiin
Story, guys, story.
Kapag ka. Stop. Sorry deh.
Excited.
Oh, coba apa praktis?
So, so at this time.